Hello everyone, this is exercise 5 in Rhino Training Manual Level 1, and the file that is currently being used is a continuation of both exercises 3 and 4 in your Rhino Training Manuals. So let's get started. From the curve menu, click Freeform and then click Control Points. Go ahead and pick a start point and continue picking points. Notice that most of the points you pick are off of the curve as control points. And lastly, click Close to make a closed curve. And that concludes exercise 5.